Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I have a big box from Mr. Maple here to unpackage today. I am a little surprised it got here this quickly. I think I only ordered this tree 2 days ago, so thank you Mr. Maple for shipping this so quickly to me. I was really excited when this week Winter Red, a coral bark, became available. So let's get Winter Red out here. There is Winter Red. Oh, and looking so good. Now this is a 2-gallon of Winter Red. Look at that. That's a, ooh, it's attacking me. This is a pretty good size tree here. So Winter Red, as you might be able to tell, it still has a little of its red bark left from winter. It is a coral bark, so in the winter, its bark is going to turn a bright red for the cold months and then into spring, and it has real chartreuse leaves. Now, when these leaves first come out in the spring, sometimes they have a little bit of red on them too, which makes it extra interesting. This is what they would call a small mid-sized tree. In about 8 to 10 years, no, in about 15 years, it's going to get 8 to 10 feet. So it's a fairly slow growing tree, but boy, I love the shape of this one too. It's just so nice and upright. This is going to be a great addition to the garden, and I have no idea how I'm going to fit it in, but I'm going to make sure that I do, and preferably I'm going to put it in a place that I can see it in the winter so I can really enjoy that winter interest. Now, you know, I already have some coral barks that I absolutely love. We have 2 of the larger Sango Kakus out by the street. So excited for how those will look in the winter. And then I have Cupid, a dwarf coral bark. It will get to be about 6 to 8 feet in 15 years' time. It also gets that bright red bark in winter. And this is Wildfire. Wildfire has more than one color in its bark. It starts down as a yellow at the base of the tree, and then it goes up into an orange and then out into red in its outer branches. So you get that whole spectrum of colors. This is Akakava Heime. This is another dwarf selection that gets to be 6 to 8 feet in 15 years and turns out really bright red in its bark over the winter. And this adorable little tree is on my deck. This is Winter Orange. Now, Winter Orange is a newer selection of coral bark. It does turn bright yellow to orange in the fall, and it's going to grow a little bigger than the others, 12 to 14 feet in 10 years. It's supposed to be pretty cold resistant, although all of these really say that they're zones 6 to 8. But it originated in Canada, so maybe that gives it a little more cold tolerance there. Sir Damon is also a newer coral bark selection. It is said to have really bright red new growth and then a deeper red in its older growth. It's going to get to be 8 to 10 feet tall in about 15 years, and mine is actually doing much better than it was. Unfortunately, it tipped over during a storm and the top part broke off, and I felt so bad, but it is determined to live and it's coming back. Online if there are any trees that you're interested in, because things become available and then go quickly, especially some of these harder to find varieties. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.